Hi, in this video I will go over the Pythagorean theorem and more specifically on how to solve for the leg. The leg could either be b or a. We can use one of these two equations over here to solve for it. Looking at our first triangle over here, I have a is what I'm looking for, 5 as my hypotenuse. Remember, the hypotenuse is directly across from the right angle, and 3 is one of my legs. Since we're looking for a, I'm going to use this equation over here. A squared equals c squared minus b squared. So I have a squared equals c squared, in my case, is my hypotenuse, which is 5 squared, minus b squared, which is 3 squared. Now I'm going to go ahead and simplify this. A squared equals 5 squared is 25, minus 3 squared, which is 9. Next, we will subtract 25 minus 9 gives us 16. And lastly, in order to solve for just a, I'm going to take the square root of both sides. This gets rid of the squared over here, and I'm just left with a equals the square root of 16, which is 4. So my answer is 4. Next, we're looking for b. This means we're going to use this equation over here. B squared equals c squared minus a squared. So we have c squared in our case, which is 10 squared. So I have b squared equals 10 squared minus a squared, which is 6 squared. 10 squared is 100 and 6 squared is 36. Next, we will do 100 minus 36, which gives us 64. And now, to get rid of the squared, I will do a square root on both sides. B equals the square root of 64, which is 8. So my answer is 8. Next, we have b is what we're looking for, so I will use this equation again. B squared equals c squared, in my case, which is 13 squared, minus a squared, which is 12 squared. 13 squared gives us 169, so that's what we'll put here. And 12 squared is 144. Next, we are going to go ahead and subtract 169 minus 144, which is 25. And I'm going to take the square root of both sides now to get my b all alone. B equals the square root of 25, which is 5. And that's my answer. And lastly, we have a is what we're looking for, so we're going to use this equation over here. A squared equals c squared, which is 5 squared minus 4 squared. Next, we're going to go ahead and simplify 5 squared minus 4 squared, which is 25 minus 16. Next, we are going to go ahead and now subtract 25 minus 16, which is 9. And our last step is to take the square root on both sides. The square root of 9 is 3, so a equals 3. And this is on how to solve the leg in the Pythagorean theorem.